Welcome to today's video on the top 5 web development tips for 2024. These tips will help you get better in your field in 2025 as well. Whether you're just starting out or have been coding for a while, these tips will help you stay ahead. Tip 1. Embrace responsive design. Make sure your websites look good on all devices, especially mobile phones. Use flexible layouts and media queries to adapt your design easily. Tip 2. Optimize for performance. Speed matters. Improve your site's loading time by compressing images, using browser caching, and cutting down on HTTP requests. A fast website enhances user experience and helps with SEO. Tip 3. Prioritize accessibility. Ensure everyone can use your website, including people with disabilities. Use clear HTML, add alt text for images, and choose colors that are easy to read. Tip 4. Keep learning new technologies. Web development is always changing. Stay curious and explore new tools and frameworks like Jamstack, serverless architecture, and progressive web apps. Tip 5. Collaborate and get feedback. Join online communities or pair program with others. Different perspectives can help you solve problems faster and improve your coding skills. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe to Pro Developing Champs for more web development insights. See you next time.